Rebecca. Gonna do another Misfits unboxing. This one is gonna be the smaller size. I believe it's called a Mischief box, the Madness one we did last time. So here's an unboxing of what we got in our Misfits box. Now this is a random choice. This is not going to be what I got to select. Misfits has a new program, which I absolutely love, where you get to go on and choose from different things. But this time I didn't get on my email to choose, so I have the random box. It's really nice when you get to choose. They'll give you sections, and they'll give you like maybe 12 things in the first section, and you can pick 4 of those. And then it'll give you another section, and you can pick maybe 3 of those. So it gives you a lot of good choices, but still encourages me to try new things, which I really like. So here we go. Here's our, they always have good recyclable or biodegradable packaging. So we got this. And more cardboardy paper stuff that can be recycled. And here we go. Here's a peek inside the box. What you get right up over top here. Our first thing looks like organically grown, but I don't know what it is. I think it might be a flat type of kale. Usually it has a label on it, but it doesn't, so might be broccoli leaf. That tastes a little bit like broccoli. Okay, then we've got pepper, green pepper. Oh, pears, nice pears. Remember, this is all organic, but maybe a little misshapen or maybe a little smaller than in the store. It's a second pear. All right, we're finding some apples. Little zucchini. Now, I'm seeing on this that the end is a little beat up. If I were to complain about that, Misfits is an incredible company to work for, to work with. Excuse me, I do not work for Misfits. To work with. If I point out any problem on my order, just going in my email, you can respond and say, yes, there was a problem in my order, and they will absolutely refund you for whatever items are damaged. Because they're such a great company, I'm not going to worry about that this time. And I've got some beautiful organic celery. If you don't know, celery that is organic tastes entirely different, less bitter, way more sweet than celery you would find not organically grown. So it's almost like a different vegetable. It's so, so yummy. All right. Then we've got some beet greens and beets. Nice big beets. Look at that. The beet greens I can either give to my chickens, or there's ways you can cook down beet greens. So that's always an option too. But look at those beautiful beets we got. Okay. And some more beet greens that are loose here. All right, what else do we have in here? We have lemons. Looks like we're getting 3 lemons in our box. And, oh, here's one more apple. So we got 3 apples this week. And then another pepper. So we've got our 2 green peppers there. And a nice cucumber. And we've got a little acorn squash. And what else we have? We have potatoes, a couple of potatoes. Again, this box is not recommended for a whole family. Obviously, this wouldn't go very far in our family. We do it just a little box sometimes, but the Madness box has a lot bigger amounts. And it's only about $10 or $15 higher, so it's not too bad. You can look at that on the website. But yeah, there's some potatoes and a couple onions. Those look like nice sweet onions. All right, and the last little pear. So this is what you get in the smaller box. Love that it's all organic, and these are a lot of things that we would normally buy in the store anyway, but I might not have thought to get pears this week, or beets, fresh beets I might not have thought of. So it's awesome. We like it. Gives us more reasons to eat healthy veggies, and it comes right to your door. So hope you enjoyed the unboxing. Below there is my code if you're interested in trying it. We both get a deal if you use my link. Thanks, bye.